Bit of a soggy weekend here in the UK for many parts, but they're roasting down in the Mediterranean.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, such huge contrasts across the continent at the moment. For us, whether you like it or not, there is absolutely no change on the horizon for, let's say, the next couple of weeks, which would take us into August. This is the big picture across Europe and the North Atlantic. It's the weather systems developing and the jet stream over the next 5 days or so. And crucially, I want you to have a look at this undulating pattern, this waving pattern of the jet stream, and then these lows dropping from the north, and they push all the cloud, wind and rain and unsettled conditions to our neck of the woods, whilst the Mediterranean is enduring that heat wave. So here's Tuesday, 47 Celsius in parts of Sicily. But what does that mean when you see 47 on our weather maps? Well, if we actually zoom into Sicily, it doesn't always mean that it's 40 degrees everywhere. In fact, coastal areas, which is very unusual, the low 40s, there are even some spots in the low 30s, but it's in one or two spots where we get those extremely high values. What is going to happen later on in the week, that jet stream is going to take a bit of a dip, and these temperatures will lower to closer to the seasonal average for that part of the world, which is still hot enough.
Hello there, good afternoon to you. It does look to be mostly cloudy at first this afternoon. A few showers around, the best of any sunny spells will develop towards the end of the afternoon into the evening.
Sally, I'm not quite sure what you've done with the sunshine, but if you could bring it back at some point, that would be great. I'd be very thankful.
Did we ever have it, is the question I ask. You wouldn't wish the weather in Greece on anyone, would you? No. But it has been a bit miserable. But look at this poor little poppet trying to seek some shelter in the... Oh, have we got our picture?
Oh, I think we've got it.
Oh, no, wasn't that worth the wait? This is a bank vole. Apparently his favourite food is hazelnut and blackberries. It's like something out of Beatrice Potter, isn't it?
It's very, very cute.
Anyway, we've had a lot of rainfall this month. We're getting towards our peak. Let's take a little look at the forecast. A little bit more to come. Here we go. Hello again. I hope you had a good day. Thank goodness for this gorgeous little bird, so colourful, brightening up those grey old skies. And the little dogs here as well. Now, we have got, again, the risk of a few showers tomorrow, but it's generally a drier day, or brighter day, I should say. So we've got the chance of some sunny spells. And then as we head into Wednesday, a lot of the daytime's looking dry, but we've got rain moving in the evening, probably at the moment, and overnight as well.
Sophie, well, the weather has been drying out today, certainly compared to what we saw through the course of the weekend. This was the picture in Preston a little bit earlier on. And in fact, in Preston, we had 111 millimetres of rain through the weekend. And that's about 1.5 times the amount we'd expect through the whole month of July. So it's been really wet, drying out. But I don't think you'll be too surprised to hear that there is a bit more rain in the forecast over the next few days. It won't be too persistent tomorrow. Another day of sunny spells and scattered showers, a bit like some of us have seen today. And the next area of rain sweeps in from the west. The winds will pick up as well, and temperatures still a little below par, around about 14 to 21 degrees. So it is looking fairly unsettled for the next week or so. Yes, some showers in the forecast, but there'll be a little bit of sunshine around too. Sophie.
Not a very summery start to the week, is it?
No, it's been quite cool as well, and it's going to stay quite showery through this evening. The good news is those showers will clear by the end of the night, and those winds will fall much lighter as well. So through this morning, what we woke up to quite cloudy skies, and it's pretty much stayed that way through much of today. As I mentioned, those showers through this evening, they'll be very on and off, but they will clear by the end of the night, and our winds will fall much lighter. But tomorrow, a much brighter day, but any sunshine tomorrow will be accompanied by a scattering of showers, potentially falling heavy and thundery.
Now, time for the weather, and Alex is back. What a contrast with the rest of Europe. It was a washout weekend.
Absolute contrast and conditions. It feels like the rain that we had at the weekend is the rain that eastern parts of the Mediterranean could really do with at the moment. Let's take a look at some of the rainfall stats from this weekend, and they are pretty high indeed. As you can see, Preston got a month's worth of rainfall in just a couple of days, and you can see that other places in the UK not too far behind. And we're not at the end of July yet. We've already seen all 4 nations seeing above average rainfall. I wouldn't be surprised if some records did go, but we won't know that until the end of this week. Well, let's go through it in a lot more detail. And as we head through the course of this week, initially, it's going to be sunny spells and also a few showers. But I did show you that band of rain coming in for midweek Wednesday into Thursday. So do watch out for that. As for our temperatures, they're going to be staying around average, if not below at times. So for the time being, keep your brolly handy.
All right, Alex, thank you.